SwiftReporter's AI-powered PDF template creation feature lets you automatically generate inspection templates from your existing PDF reports. This saves time, ensures consistency, and preserves your inspection workflow with minimal effort. Step 1. Open the SwiftReporter app and navigate to the Templates section. Tap Select Template, and in the Template Selection modal, choose Create from PDF. You'll also see the option to create new blank template if you want to start from scratch. Step 2. Tapping Create from PDF opens your device's document picker. Browse your device storage, cloud storage like Google Drive or iCloud, or your Downloads folder, then tap the PDF file you want to use. SwiftReporter's AI will automatically analyze the structure, identify categories and subcategories, extract questions and form fields, and generate a complete inspection template organized according to best practices. This feature saves significant time, reduces manual data entry, and ensures your new templates match your existing workflows. Whether you have one report or hundreds, SwiftReporter makes the transition fast and hassle-free. Start creating templates from PDF today and let SwiftReporter's AI handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on performing inspections efficiently and professionally.